What is an intelligence quotient? Let's first begin with the term intelligence. Intelligence is a person's capacity to acquire knowledge like learning or understanding, apply knowledge like solving problems, and engage abstract reasoning. It's the power of one's intellect, and it's clearly a very important aspect of one's overall well-being. An intelligence quotient, IQ, is the score you get on an intelligence test. Originally, it was a quotient, meaning ratio, where the formula for IQ is MA, which is mental age, divided by CA, which is chronological age, times 100. Chronological age is just the number of years a person has lived. However, mental age is a measure of an individual's mental attainment based on the age in which it takes for an average individual to reach the same level of attainment. In other words, mental age is a specific age which is determined by the intellectual performance of a person compared to the average performance, and it's the age which shows your mental maturity. Mental age is determined by conducting a psychological test. For example, if your mental age is 13, regardless of your actual chronological age, you are mentally similar to a 13-year-old. Here's an example of an IQ test. The IQ of a 10-year-old with a mental age of 12 is 12 divided by 10 times 100, which equals to 120. Similarly, the IQ of a 15-year-old with a mental age of 12 is 12 divided by 15 times 100, which gives us 80. Based on a standard bell curve, depending on which test is used, mildly gifted children score from 115 to 129, moderately gifted from 130 to 144, highly gifted from 145 to 159, exceptionally gifted from 160 to 179, and profoundly gifted 180. If you have an IQ of 140 and over, that means you are a genius or almost genius. With an IQ of 120 to 139, it means that you have a very superior intelligence. If you have an IQ of 110 to 119, that means your intelligence is in the middle ground, which means that it's high but not higher than most. 90 to 109 means you have an intelligence of normal or average people. If you have an IQ of 80 to 89, that means you are a dull person. That means you tend to indulge in things that are too enjoyable. The IQ of 80 to 89 is low average. And finally, 70 to 79 is borderline mental disability.
Yeah.